Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Do you want to dominate PUBG Mobile on your iPad with pro-level precision? Touch controls, while convenient, can seriously hold you back, especially in fast-paced combat scenarios. Imagine having lightning-fast reactions and pinpoint accuracy, just like PC players. A proper controller setup can transform your gameplay, giving you a massive advantage over finger-tapping opponents. This update for 2025 will show you exactly how to achieve that. It's important to know up front, PUBG Mobile itself does not natively support external controllers on your iPad. That's why many players struggle. However, this isn't a dead end for us controller enthusiasts. The secret lies in powerful third-party key mapping applications that act as a crucial bridge. These apps essentially trick the game into thinking you're still using touch controls, but you're actually executing commands with your gamepad. It's a game changer once you set it up correctly. Your first step is super simple. Make sure your Bluetooth controller is fully charged and then pair it directly to your iPad via the settings menu. Once connected, head to the App Store and download a reliable key mapping app. Good options for 2025 include Panda Gamepad Pro or Octopus. Choose one with strong reviews. Critically, always launch your chosen mapping app *first*, and then open PUBG Mobile through that app to ensure proper functionality. Now for the magic. You'll use the mapping app's overlay to assign each controller button to its corresponding action on the screen. It's often a simple drag-and-drop process, placing controller icons over the in-game buttons for movement, aiming, shooting, and more. Take your time here. Precision pays off. After mapping, dive into the app settings to fine-tune sensitivity and even dead zones. This ensures your controls feel incredibly natural and perfectly responsive to your playstyle. To truly excel, practice is absolutely key. Spend plenty of time in the training grounds, honing your new controller skills and building that crucial muscle memory. Also, keep an eye out for updates to your mapping app. Game patches can sometimes break compatibility, so stay current. Don't be afraid to experiment with different button layouts and sensitivity settings until you find your personal sweet spot. With this updated guide for 2025, you're now ready to dominate PUBG Mobile with a controller on your iPad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.